Hello everyone, this is Tuga speaking. It's been some time now. I don't record any video, and I've been having lots of work and some studying as well. I appreciate all the effort that you guys put to see my videos. I wasn't expecting to have that much viewing. I have already 1,000 views on one video, which was not expected, which is a good thing. That means you guys like the content that you see. So today's video, I'm gonna try to show you guys on how to do some engraving, some wobbling engraving, let's say it, in a flat piece. I work in the three-axis machine, and sometimes people think, oh, three-axis machine is not as good as five. Yes, obviously, three-axis have some limitations, but three-axis can also make a lot of good things. And also, if you have the right tools, even better, right? So I'm gonna show you guys just a video to see what I'm gonna present to you. So it's something like this, and I'll try to make it fast. Just I'm just trying to orbit a little bit for you guys to better understand what I'm trying to do. And if you take a look, I have a couple variables here that I also can explain after how to do it. I know it's something simple, but for people that are just starting, just like me, uh, it's gonna be something just to learn. So let's try to create a panel. Does the measurements doesn't really matter for now. Just putting 40 as a thickness, just for you guys to better see the deep that goes. So here on top, as I explained before, you can select the way you want to see the piece. And for today's video, you're gonna have to select one face. So we're gonna use the icon of face selection, which is right here. And after this, we're gonna have to switch the view. And right here, I'm gonna have some trouble here snapping the middle point. I was having some trouble here, but I don't know why. As you can see in the bottom, I have all the snap points selected. I don't know why this happened, but I will fix it in a second. So if you take a look at the bottom, I have all the options visible. That means once the mouse gets close to a track point, it will activate it. So I will have to stop that. See the bottom, it's always grabbing that. I don't know why that was happening, but I will fix this in a second. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, first point, select here, middle point now, bottom, end point, done. Now let's start again. Another arch here, here, and bottom again. Done. Now let's turn a little the piece to better see what I'm doing. Like select the two arcs that I just did, and let's finalize the object. What I did was one side, right, in one face, but I want to use this on the top face as well. So I gotta select both of them and then select the face that I want to work on it. So we're gonna select the zero face, press OK, and then let's go to advance and let's create some repetitions. Okay, so here it's gonna be 15. the y distance is going to be minus because I start from the end, right? So I'm going to put minus 35.68. This is some numbers that I will already have in my head. So let's put this here. Now the second one, number of repetitions should be 14. Same thing here, minus 35.68. And let's move forward. Okay, perfect. Sounds interesting. Okay, so there's a little thing here. See, the lines are matching, and I don't want that. We want this to be one on top and one on bottom, but let's say one starts at 0, the other one starts at 15, right? So we gotta change that. So in order to change that, we have to go to the, okay, so let's press the arc. Let's see which one it is. That one. Okay. So we have to go to beginning, middle, and end and change the y. Instead of 500, we're gonna put in less the 35.68 divided by 2, I believe. 30, yeah, divided by 2, yeah. Then we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste here and paste here. Perfect. Sounds good. Yeah, yeah, that already sounds better. Yeah, sounds good. Looks, we're getting there. Now let's put a tool in the path. Select both arcs in the middle and center, right? So you can use this tool here. I don't have a lot of tools, but let's use this one. This one is the one I use for 45 angles. Okay, dip. This one you need to be careful. You should not change this number as a safety measure, safety measure, okay? Because if you change this, check out the line. If I change, see, goes down. That means if you change this, your tool is gonna hit the spoil board, and I don't think you want that, okay? But some cases you might want that, so just be careful with this. Okay, so let's press here, and let's see. Let's press play. Gonna show the line, maybe. Yeah, yeah, sounds interesting. This is one little thing. You know what we can do with this, right? Let's say, I don't know, let's say you want to glue a chunk of wood, of MDF wood or solid wood, doesn't matter. Different woods, okay? And let's say you want to make it like a countertop for a sink or something, and you want to crave the inside of the ball, you know? This is a good way to do it, okay? Right now, I'm doing the variables because as you've seen in the video, I can show you the video. There's maybe five, three, four, five, yeah, five variables, which is number of repetitions of the down. I have a D here, but let's change it for a B. So number of repetitions at the bottom, number of repetitions at the top line, then there's the distance in between them. There's the deep top, how deep is gonna go the line on top, you know, the Z or the middle point, and the deep B bottom. Okay, so let's create it. So it's five variables. So in RT, in this case, it's gonna be D. Yeah, down. I had it down before. Now I'm gonna put it D. Another one is gonna be NRT, and yeah, and I just hope you guys will enjoy this. watch the video as many times as you need to see some details. I apologize as always because my English is not the best. I know that. So I try to speak slowly, hoping that everyone can understand me properly. Deep. And I hope the sound is good. I don't have a lot of resources to improve the videos or make some fancy cuts and you know now there's another tools, but yeah, so this is not my thing. It's just like an extra. Okay, so here, see, so let's change this line. We gotta go to the Z, and we're gonna put a what? Exactly, we're gonna put the deep bottom. There's the top and there's the bottom, right? So this one is the bottom, so it's gonna be deep B. And this way, when you just have to change the variable, you don't need to go there anymore. Once you change the variable, see the line, what happens? It changes automatically, right? Okay, so now let's go to the number of repetitions. So this is the bottom. So number repetitions of bottom, which should be 15. And this one, we leave the minus there because it's going to work from the same place, right? So it's starting on the same point. Here you're going to put this. As you can see, once I press the the little icon behind the variable name, it gets blue once it's activated. Okay, so once it's activated, you cannot delete it. In order for you to delete that variable, we have to delete it on the piece. Okay, so here it's the deep top, right? Yeah, sounds good. See the line just changed. Let's go here. We gotta change this as well. And RT, it's number of repetitions stop. Distance, we gotta change the thing there, right? See? Yeah, once I press there, it's changed the color from the variable. That means it's been used. This it's used, right? But there on the Y, I need to change it as well. Otherwise, if I change the variable, that one is going to remain the same. So we need to change everywhere. We cannot miss one spot. Okay, and I think we're done here. Almost done with the video. I thought it was going to be faster, but after all, it's time, right? The time flies when you're having fun. My brother-in-law is always saying that. I used to help him, and the time would fly. It was amazing. And he would always say, time flies when you're having fun. That's one thing. And it's true. Time really flies when you're having fun. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This looks interesting. Like I said, you can use this as lot of, there's a lot of things that you can do with this. It's, well, actually, I show you how to do this, right? Now, with the same idea that I use here, you can, like I normally say, the sky is the limit. Just think and put your thoughts into the machine. I believe that this can be a really, really good thing. Okay, guys, thanks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys keep watching my videos. And if you guys have any questions, just post below. I'll try to answer. And also check for Facebook. There's a lot of groups there. I also have a group there created. It's BS CNC starters. So it's actually a group that is growing very fast, and you guys can join us. Okay, have a good one. Stay safe, and I hope I see you on the next video.